Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated mini washers. Small flats, tiny houses, boats and RVs don't have a dedicated laundry area, so portable washers and mini washers are the perfect choice. In order to get the greatest value for your money, we recommend looking to the kind of wash load you want to have, as well as the frequency with which you intend to use the mini washer and your budget. For today's video, we'll be looking to 7 of the highly rated mini washers on the market, so you can sit back, relax, and take your pick after watching. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the mini washers that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first mini washer in our list is the Pyle mini washer. This portable mini washer from Pyle has a compact and portable design that does justice to its name. With this washer in your arsenal, you're sure to have clean clothes ready whenever you're in a pinch. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Pyle mini washer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Large load capacity. This folding washing machine features an impressive 4.41-pound wash capacity. Effective cleaning. The mini washer uses high-frequency vibration to effectively remove dirt without residue and irritants. Foldable design. The mini washer features a foldable and portable bucket-type design for easy storage when not in use. Portable and lightweight. It has a compact size of 11.64 by 11.64 by 6.4 inches, so you can easily carry it out and conveniently wash clothes outdoors. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is no spin dry. This portable washing machine doesn't spin dry your clothes, so we suggest wringing them by hand. The second mini washer in our list is the MOYU mini washer. The MOYU mini washer is designed to delicate and small things, so items such as baby clothes, socks, and underwear can have their dedicated washing machine for good measure. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the MOYU mini washer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Drain basket design. The drain basket shakes off the excess water and keeps the clothes damp without dripping water. Compact design. The compact size of the foldable laundry tub ensures it can be placed into travel luggage. Waterproof buttons. The waterproof buttons ensure that you can operate this machine even when it gets messy. Easy to use. It doesn't get any easier than this to wash your delicate clothing items. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is small capacity. The 1.8-pound capacity may not be the most suitable thing for people who aren't living alone. The third mini washer in our list is the Densors mini washer. This portable washing machine from Densors is an easy alternative to sending your dirty clothes to an expensive laundromat every weekend. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Densors mini washer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Powerful cleaning. Although it takes little space in your room, it does a better job than any expensive laundry cleaner. Automatic timer. It has a wash timer that allows you to predetermine the washing time and multitask easily. Fast operation. This machine will save you time with its fast and efficient operation. Ideal for small clothes. The washing machine is perfect for washing small clothes like undergarments, socks, pillow covers, and more. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is tricky hose. Some customers mentioned that the hose being hard to attach to their faucets, so we suggest having a spare just in case. The fourth mini washer in our list is the BESDAS mini washer. The BESDAS mini washer sends out vibration waves for a higher sterilization rate to remove dirt more effectively. This makes it one of the most energy-saving and efficient mini washers on the market today. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BESDAS mini washer a 3-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Portable and compact. It is portable and compact, which makes it very suitable for washing children's clothing. Underwear, socks, towels, and other small clothing items. Environmentally friendly. The mini washer is made of environmentally friendly ABS and TPR materials. Impressive capacity. It has a capacity that can carry 2 kilograms, which is more than enough for the needs of an individual. Foldable design. The washer features a foldable and portable bucket-type design for easy storage when not in use. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is weak spinner. The spinner may not be strong enough to your liking, so we suggest wringing your clothes to dry faster. The fifth mini washer in our list is the eStall mini washer. This multifunctional mini washer from eStyle has a cute design that'll definitely look great in modern, chic apartments. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the eStyle mini washer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: multifunctional. In addition to cleaning baby clothing, underwear, towels, socks, and other tiny things, this portable washing machine can also clean jewelry and eyeglasses. Space-saving. When you're not using the mini washer, you can fold and place it on the wall, under the stool, or under the bed. Easy to operate. There's only one button to control the washing machine. Just touch the button for 2 seconds and you'll start the washing machine. Edible-grade silicone. Being made of edible-grade silicone, the mini washing machine is the best choice, especially for washing baby clothes. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is drain design. The drainer is right next to the power spot, so water can get in if you're not careful. The 6th mini washer in our list is the Honadar mini washer. The Honadar mini washer looks very modern and downright futuristic, which is definitely a plus in our books. If you're looking for a sleek appliance to add to your living space, then this might be just your best bet. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Honadar mini washer a 3-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: sleek minimalist design. This mini washer has a stylish and small appearance compared to others, so it'll definitely do justice to your space. Impressive capacity. The mini portable washing machine features a 3.8-pound wash capacity, which is quite impressive given its compact form factor. Powerful cleaning. This small washing machine provides you with blue light double deep washing protection, which ensures that your socks and underwear are clean and won't deteriorate. Smart feature. It'll work for a total of 15 minutes each time and will stop working automatically afterward. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is no spin cycle. There is no spin cycle for drying, so we suggest wringing your clothes by hand. The 7th mini washer in our list is the Petolution mini washer. This mini portable washing machine from Petolution will save you both time and water. Additionally, it can be used for everything from baby clothes, underwear, jewelry, and even fruits and vegetables. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Petolution mini washer a 3-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: compact design. At only 4 inches thick, this mini washer is ideal for small spaces like dorms, apartments, condos, motorhomes, RVs, camping, and more. Easy to use. It comes with a helpful charger and an automatic button, which ensures even easier operation. Non-toxic materials. The machine is made out of premium safe and non-toxic materials, so you don't have to worry about your children touching it. Adjustable design. This mini washer is adjustable and can be placed under the table, in a small washroom, or in a suitcase. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is tricky instructions. Some customers mentioned that the instructions could use some simplification. And there you have it, folks. Our 7 highest rated mini washers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next mini washer roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our home great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.